found some wood. It's always my favorite thing is to go find free wood. Gonna go take a look around this corner and see what the snow looks like. See if we got enough room to get around. Let Ginger off. What do you think? Go check it out. Alright, we're going for it. We can turn around up past this if this spot don't work out, so just run it. Second run. It's a bit bumpy. Ginger's like, hold on to your fur. Hold on to my fur. All right, heading uphill. Let's find a camping spot. All right, I always have to go check around corners just before I drive around them when they got snow. This is nice and compact. All right, there's some guy I just ran into. This guy walking down with his pity, and he said he got further up there and he's stuck. So he's walking out to go get more gas for some buddies because he ran out of gas trying to get unstuck. So I'm going to turn around and head down to a lower road and check that out and see if I can find something down there, or else we'll be just camping off to the side of the road. We'll figure something out. I'm making this trip happen. I've got so much wood. We're doing it. All right. Hopefully that dude's made some ground. I'd totally give him a ride, but I don't have an extra seat. He's hoofing it. Haven't ran into him yet. Alright, we found the guy. There's the dude that's stuck. Snow down here so far. There'll probably be some in the shady spots, but I know there's some more spots to camp out here. Oof. Well, I did find this spot, so it's probably going to be the one that we're going to stay at. You can still kind of hear the highway, but it does have a really nice view and a really nice fire pit. It's not far off the road because the road is right there, so if anyone drives by. They had the snow park signs up when you come in here, but you can see there's really no snow. So it doesn't look like much of a park. Not a snow park, at least. Other spot's got a nice view, but this other spot further or closer to where we came in has it's a little tucked in the trees a little bit better, and I don't think I'll get pounded with wind all night if the wind kicks up. So I think we're gonna head back to this other spot and do that. Looks like a good spot. It's like an elk camp. It's got everything to hang elk in the trees. So we're gonna do that. Come here, baby. Come here. Some clean water. Got a little bit of cleanup to do. Spot will be a little bit better because I got this hill, so I'm tucked behind the wind, so they're calling for some wind tonight. So I brought a really big tarp, and I'm thinking about tying it up here between all these trees and then having a fire pit right there, so if it snows and rains later, I can stay outside and I don't have to like just crawl in the Jeep and sit in it, because the whole reason I came out here is to get outside and have some fun. Ginger's over there enjoying something. I don't know what it is. Are you eating poop? What are you eating? gonna back my car up a little closer to all these trees and hook some bungees up and see if I can kind of get a little shelter right here, so if it starts snowing and raining, then I can keep a fire going tonight. We'll see how that goes. This tent, this tarp is huge. Look at it. Alright, I think I'm gonna bag that idea. Just I'll have to practice this a couple more times to see if I can get it right. Oh well. We can check out what Ginger's doing over here. She's got herself a nice big hole going. What are you doing? Are you digging? She's like, I'm a wild coyote, I am. How big's your hole? Are you getting a hole? Yeah, you digging it up? Good girl. Yeah. She's enjoying herself. Alright, I'm gonna try folding this giant tarp up now. See how that goes. Alright, got that folded up. Ginger, come here. Come on. Ginger. Good girl. All right, I'm gonna go walk around, see if we can find some sheds quickly around camp with Ginger. She needs a little bit of playtime. Come on. I got your treats. Yeah, I got treats. Yeah, I got treats. Come here. You want a treat? Good girl. Yeah, treats. Good girl. You want to go find some sheds? Yeah? You're going to come for treats? Yes, you will. Good girl. I think I found the pile. Ginger's been bringing some bones to me. And she's like, oh yeah. We want to find the sheds, not the bones. And these are usually pretty good spots. The trees here where they're covered with the deer and the elk like to lay down. You follow the poop trail. Oh man, there's another bone. Ginger, you finding the sheds? We gotta find sheds, not bones. She's like, I'm trying my best. You trying your best to find sheds? What's that? Here we are. Getting the campfire going. Got some cabbage, leftover cabbage from the St. Patty's Day corned beef. Got this jalapeno. I'm gonna grill this up and put a bunch of salt on it and then slice it up so it's gonna be fresh jalapeno. Hopefully it's a spicy one. Got butter. Here goes my lid. Let that get melted. We got ginger hair everywhere. She's shedding right now, so we've got dog hair everywhere. It's gonna be, I don't know, maybe around 33 degrees tonight. I'm not sure. I need to check what the weather is. I'm gonna get my hamburger going in the smaller cast iron pan. Just the little guy. Hopefully we have enough gas in this. wait till my food is done. Throw some jalapenos in there. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my cabbage to this because my flame is dying down and I want to get that a little bit steamed. A little bit steamed up. I might have to pick up some butane tomorrow. I don't know, she's barely burning. Alright, everything is as done as it's gonna get. I got the hamburger, my potatoes with some onions, and cabbage, and some fried jalapenos. I'm gonna feast on this. Is this too hot for you? Too spicy? I love you. Alright. I ate all that food. Like, it's gone. And I'm not so hangry anymore. So, that's a good thing. Alright, it's time to clean up all these dishes. Clean the dishes up. How we do that is we need some water. Got my night goggles on. It's starting to cool down. The wind died down and my fire's kind of dying down. I think I might eventually crawl in the Jeep and put some warm socks on because I really can't feel my feet, so. It's still a little light out, but the car is pretty nice and cozy. I did get a Mr. Buddy, or a little buddy heater for just warming up the car a little bit so I don't have to run it so much. So I got that going and it's working out pretty well. See if I can get a little shot of it. There it is. So I'm just going to run that for a few minutes to warm it up in here and then turn it off. That was a rough night of sleep. starting to snow, so I'm gonna heat up with a little bit of tub ramen and sit in the Jeep and kind of wait for the snow to stop, and then I think we'll head out and go look for some sheds. There's a pretty fresh rub right there. So that means we're in the right area. Ginger, you gonna go sniff them sheds out? Yeah, you gonna go sniff them out? Well, I didn't find any sheds. Came up empty-handed today. We're out over the hill checking, looking all around for a couple hours, and started to snow again. So I came back to the car and made myself a hot cup of coffee, and I think I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.